The King of the Water, Land Hegemony, SGL Amphibious Cruiser. Unique DIY design. Use your hand to DIY you one special amphibious cruiser. The arrow direction of the tire thread is facing the wall. Label of the hub B is on the left side. Label A is on the right side. Fix the screw. Open the battery cover on the chassis. Load the batteries and close the cover. Tighten the waterproof plug and finish assembly. SGL Amphibious Cruiser has a super good waterproof performance, which helps it drive on any water surface easily. More than 30 minutes of super long cruising time makes it easy to navigate smoothly on any water surface. Freely gallop on the line, drifting, spinning, fully display various kinds of stunning performance with speed ranging 15 to 20 kilometers. Also, more super amazing playing methods are waiting for you to discover. More models of cruiser